Are you buying a home and you want to make sure that your kids are going to a certain school? I've got an important message for you. This is day 30 of Mark Madness. Hi, and welcome to day 30 of Mark Madness. I'm your host, Mark J. Schmidt of Remax Country and MoveMeMark.com. So you're thinking about buying a new home, and you want to make sure that your new home is served by the school of your choice. This happened to my family. A few years ago, we decided to sell our home and buy a new home. We were running out of space, and one of our daughters was still in elementary school. Well, it was important for us that she keep going to that elementary school. She had all of her friends there, she knew all the teachers, and she loved the school. So we wanted to make sure that the home we purchased was served by that particular elementary school. Now, this happens a lot. You know, people either they have kids who are already in school and they want to keep them in school, like happened to us. Sometimes the kids are about to start school and they've just heard good things about a particular school and they want to make sure that their kids can go to that school. One thing that's very important is that you always want to double check what school is serving that home that you're interested in. And I'll tell you why. There was a case I heard of a while back where a couple had purchased a home because they wanted their child to be in a particular school. Well, it turns out they bought this home. They relied on the listing agent and what the listing agent had written in the listing. And when they moved in, they discovered that that home was not served by the school that they wanted. I think the home was like right on the border of what would be one school versus another school. And it turned out they were the other school. They wouldn't have purchased that house if they had known that their child would be going to this other school. So that's why it's important to reach out to the township, reach out to the school board in town, and make sure, verify that that home is being served by the school of your choice. Because you know what? Once you buy that home, it's a lot harder to sell a home and buy another home just because you want to change schools. So listen, if you have questions about buying or selling a home, please visit my website. You can find me at www.MoveMeMark.com. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for more Mark Madness.